Just having a little look around in Salamanca on my rest day. Always feel a little bit like a caged lion when I have a rest day. I just want to keep going. So I'm just going to go and have a look in the Cathedral in a minute. Salamanca is one of these amazing cities that you just feel like you're stepping back in time. I mean, the history of the place and the architecture is just amazing. I'll show you down to the Plaza Mayor later on. So it's farewell to Salamanca. I've had my day off in Salamanca, which was really good. Chance to just relax and let the muscles have a bit of a break. So I've just had a late dinner with some other pilgrims, and tomorrow it's back on the road. This is a wonderful Plaza Mayor in Salamanca. Lots of cafes, really a hive of activity. And tomorrow, which way's north? I think I go out through that door, that gate, to start the Camino tomorrow. I have had a couple of glasses of wine, so I'm just trying to picture where north is. Yep, I think it was that one. And my little hostel is just through that gate. So I can highly recommend a rest day in Salamanca. Great place to chill out, lots of interesting things to see. If you like people watching, hanging out here in the Plaza Mayor is really good. Good food. Although, as I found in a lot of places like this, just off the plaza, you know, the food is a lot cheaper. But I kind of like to hang out where the action is. So, off to bed, early to rise, and back walking tomorrow.